Today, we're diving into the top 5 Halloween window clings of 2026 to transform your spooky decor. We'll evaluate performance, value for money, and ease of use. Find product links in the description and first comment. Let's explore these must-have products one by one, starting with our first standout option. Our first product is the Dr. Doodoo 36-pack Halloween Bats Wall Decor, perfect for creating an eerie atmosphere. This set features light-up flashing modes and assorted size 3D bat stickers, adding depth to your decorations. Designed for versatility, these bats can be used on party walls, bathroom mirrors, or even garages. The 3D effect not only enhances the spooky vibe but also makes them a focal point in any room. With a user-friendly application, these bats are easy to stick and remove, leaving no residue behind. Priced reasonably, this product offers great value for the spooky effects it delivers in indoor settings. It's an ideal choice for those looking to elevate their Halloween decor with minimal effort. Next up is the Pitino 140pc Bats Halloween Decorations, a budget-friendly option with a big impact. These realistic PVC 3D black bat stickers are perfect for creating a creepy home ambiance. The set includes a variety of sizes, allowing for creative placement on walls and windows. Crafted for durability, they withstand indoor conditions without losing their spooky charm. These bats are particularly great for DIY enthusiasts wanting to personalize their Halloween setup. At an excellent price point, they provide substantial value for transforming your space. The Pitino set is a smart choice for anyone wanting a significant decorative impact on a budget. Our third pick is the TW Shine 40pc's Halloween Bats Wall Stickers Decor, known for its premium quality. These removable PVC bats are not only lighted but also come in assorted sizes for diverse decoration needs. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, they offer flexibility in decoration planning. Their lighted feature stands out, adding a unique glow to your Halloween night setup. Installation is a breeze, making it easy to change your decor without hassle. Though pricier, the quality and features justify the investment for serious Halloween decorators. This set is an excellent option for those who want standout decorations that capture attention. Fourth in line is the Made by Me Create Your Own Window Art Kit, ideal for creative kids and families. This DIY kit allows you to paint and decorate suncatchers and window clings, making it a fun activity. It's not just about decoration, it's a craft project that engages creativity and imagination. Perfect for children, it provides an opportunity to create personalized Halloween art for windows. The kit comes with all necessary materials, ensuring a hassle-free crafting experience. Offered at a reasonable price, it delivers both entertainment and decoration value. This kit is a perfect choice for families looking to combine fun and function in their holiday preparations. Our final product is the CLEANGOR 140pc's Bats Halloween Decor, offering a balance of affordability and style. Featuring 3D bat decals, these are perfect for indoor areas like bedrooms and bathrooms. The cute design makes them suitable for homes seeking a less frightening Halloween look. Easy to apply and remove, they are a practical choice for those who frequently update their decor. This set is a great value for the number of pieces included, making it budget-friendly. It's an ideal pick for those who want to enhance their Halloween decorations without overspending. We've highlighted only the best, ensuring each product truly enhances your Halloween experience.